Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Today, we are going to make every kid's favorite sweet, fluffy marshmallows. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. First, sift together 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Then brush some oil all over a 7x7 tray. Make sure to apply on every corner. Then dust the corn flour mixture over it. Spill off any excess flour and keep it aside. Take half a cup of hot water and add 2 tablespoons of gelatin. Mix well until all the gelatin is dissolved. Then into a pan add 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of water. Keep it on a medium flame for about 15 to 20 minutes until it reaches the soft ball stage. You can check whether it has reached the soft ball stage by pouring a little syrup into some water, and you will find that it has formed a soft ball like this. Then turn off the flame. Now pour the gelatin mixture into it and mix well. Then transfer it into a bowl. And beat it on high speed for 10 minutes. If you have not subscribed to Cooking Craves, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more amazing recipes in the future. After 10 minutes, you can see that it has turned very creamy and can form ribbons like this. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then pour half the mixture onto the prepared tray. Then add some food color into the rest. Then mix it well and pour over the first layer. Keep it in the fridge for 5 hours. After 5 hours, you can see that the marshmallow is all set now. Sprinkle some more corn flour mixture on the top and remove the edges gently. Then cut them into desired sizes. Make sure to coat the knife with some corn flour. Now coat the marshmallows with the corn flour and icing sugar mixture. Then sift off the excess flour and enjoy your delicious homemade marshmallows. Do try this recipe and tell how it turned out. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.